We live in today's era where technology is advancing faster than ever. Humans are ever more reliant on machines to make their lives easier. We rely on robots for purposes like security, defense, and automation systems. We present before you RoboSphere, a spherical amphibious robotic vehicle system which can move on any terrain like ground, river, and sand. Among many uses, it can be used for surveillance purposes to reduce human risks involved in search operations over land and water. Let's talk about the construction of the bot. The bot is made of rubber and plastic material such that it is light in weight and can move in any terrain. The bot is constructed in such a way that its center of gravity is about one third of its height. The hemispheres attached on the sides have cameras to give a complete view of the surroundings. The shell is made up of a material which is composed of rubber and plastic, enabling a good grip as well as rigidity. On the outer side of the shell, there are grooves as well, which help the bot to move on land and water. A single motor drives the whole body so that it can have a good speed while ensuring that the bot's weight is less. There are two servo motors in the bot that control two brass weights which tilt the bot. Due to the reduced circumference by the inclination of the bot, it makes a turn according to the direction of motor rotation and the movement of the servos. The bot contains three cameras, the main camera facing in the front, and one in each of the hemispheres. These three cameras combined give a wide view of the bot's surroundings. At the heart of the bot, there is a Raspberry Pi which takes in signals from sensors such as gyroscope and through the controller which is communicated wirelessly. Thus, the bot through Raspberry Pi makes decisions regarding the actuation of the motor and the servos. Let's have a look at the bot. RoboSphere is capable of supporting a wide range of applications in security, broadcasting for live video action streaming, and missions. RoboSphere accelerates and decelerates quickly and smoothly on land, while amphibious movement is consistent. RoboSphere can be integrated with a great variety of sensors, cameras, communication and navigation subsystems, and processing equipment, allowing it to operate in many missions. For broadcasting applications, the RoboSphere robotic vehicle system can image land and water and can be used to operate in multi-venue sportscasting, including golf, swimming, and soccer games. In broadcasting, it is a flexible and reliable content acquisition tool that can capture imagery and sound from land and water and back again. In security applications, RoboSphere can be remotely operated and controlled, or programmed to navigate or patrol a set route of waypoints along perimeters, buildings, and fields. The two cameras can be positioned independently in order to monitor conditions or check for intruders. The RoboSphere robotic vehicle system's advanced radio communication systems include high-definition imagery transmission, encryption capability,